Assalamualaikum friends, here is 100 plus PSD flare makeup bundle in 5 part. Don't worry, you can download easily, and total size of this folder 5.5 GB. Okay, and password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, and last is my Telegram channel, Sheri Official. So subscribe me. Pack 1, here is 20 flares. You see, here is a preview. Just import your image and press Ctrl S. VIP flare. Wow. Friday, March 2026. Oh. And here is new arrival. Import your photo. Next pack is here is 20. Smile is the best mockup. Okay. You can import BP. Promotional Instagram. For example, open this one. Add text here. Your image is here. Okay. So you can edit everything. Fitness gym. Here is 20 files. Session 2, 3. That's mean all files are PSD. You can edit in Photoshop. Next is pack 4. Pack 5. Fashion flare. Edited your image here. Okay. For example, I need a PNG file. Layer. Our flare is ready. Okay. So subscribe me. Here is last sale, fashion sale. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, love is.